It is an amazing day in Miss Cheeks' class. Guys, what are we doing?
Video making stuff.
How are you making the Eiffel Tower?
By the 3D printer.
Wait a minute. How old are you guys?
7.
Are you telling me second graders are using a 3D printer?
Yes.
Wow, we just got started. What are you noticing so far?
It's at 31%. 32.
What are we noticing?
It's making the legs right now, but you can't really see it.
Why did we choose to do the Eiffel Tower?
Because it's Madeline's favorite and we all like it.
Ah, it's an important part of our class, isn't it? We've talked a lot about it.
Hey, Dawn.
How many of you have been on a virtual tour of the Eiffel Tower? Yeah. And now you're watching one print. What are you guys doing with your iPads?
You guys can see video. Oh, yeah.
And what's really cool is you can also watch it from
Over here.
over here because it's got the video
You can't see it
on the screen. Right? Show me, Ray, so I can see where it is.
Right here. You can't really see the blue right now, but when it starts coming up, you can see it coming
Yep.
up.
Awesome.
And just how hot it is, Ross. It's like 500 degrees for Fahrenheit.
Isn't that amazing?